So I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to turn off Wi-Fi auto connect. So this is basically a feature that allows your phone to automatically connect to a Wi-Fi network that you had previously connected to, and it's currently saved in your Wi-Fi database. So to stop your phone from automatically connecting to that particular Wi-Fi, here's what to do. So go to settings. So under settings, go to Wi-Fi and then find that Wi-Fi network. So for instance, this Wi-Fi network I'm currently connected to, I can tap on it and then I can turn off auto connect, because as long as this is enabled, anytime I'm within range of this particular Wi-Fi, my phone will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi. Now, if I don't want to completely unpair my phone from that Wi-Fi, maybe I might need to connect to it later, I can just turn off auto connect and my phone will no longer automatically connect to that Wi-Fi network, but it's still going to save the SSID and password so that anytime I need to connect, I can just manually tap on it to connect. Simple as that. Now, if that's still not working for you, you might as well go ahead and forget that network. Now, this will completely unpair your phone from that Wi-Fi network. And if you need to connect in future, you will need the password and the SSID to connect to that Wi-Fi network. So that's basically how to do that. Now, you can also do this for any Wi-Fi network that's not currently connected to your phone. So you can do this for any of these available networks. So for instance, I can come to this particular network and I should have connected to that Wi-Fi network before. So you might want to go to the top right corner, tap on the three dots, select more settings, and then go to saved networks. So this will show you all the networks you have ever connected to this phone. So for instance, I can come here to this particular Wi-Fi network, tap on it, and then also turn off auto connect, or I can completely unpair from that Wi-Fi network. So that is basically how to stop your OnePlus 13 from connecting automatically to specific Wi-Fi networks, or basically how to turn off Wi-Fi auto connect. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.